Yeah.
My phone just died. Let me find the charger.
Oh, wait, what?
You can still record. You can still record.
How did you die on the horse?
No, my phone died.
Oh.
It's on your shoulder.
Hey guys, what's up there? Here we are doing Minecraft. It's been a long time. And we got Parrots now.
Oh no, I had one over here and then it came up missing.
Why is this book bag laying on the...
I don't know.
Go down here.
Oh no, Cassie's at the game.
Yes, because my phone died. And hey, guess what? Everybody.
What the heck, Jack? Since we have you need
Jack
armor.
actually decided to join us today. Oh my god, this is not my day today.
Hang on, I have your horse. I'm going to get your horse since you tamed it.
I tamed it?
Yeah, you did.
It must have tamed right when my phone died.
Yeah. Anyway, the Wii was pretty cool when I unleashed it. Hey, looks like I got my butt off me.
It's on your shoulder.
I know.
My beautiful horse.
Hey Jack, you can take that horse over there, like on the fence. Oh, by the way, some reason parrots love to be with animals, apparently. I don't know why, but you can, apparently you can tame parrots with these seeds.
I don't know which horse is mine anymore.
It's the gray one. Wait, gray one, I mean brown one.
They're on your shoulder, Caitlin.
It's mine. Of course
Smart.
Boom, it's off.
Is every single parrot yours? Oh my
No, those ones are wild. You can tame them.
Okay, my phone just turned on.
Okay.
It's
With seeds. Use regular seeds. Seriously, Jack is so different.
When this video starts, it's just gonna be
Use
me.
these seeds that's in my hand.
When the video starts, it's just gonna be me panicking because my phone died. There, turn on. Okay, this might take a little bit. My phone is super slow when it first turns on.
No kidding.
And my internet's not on. I gotta wait for a little bit.
I'm no seed.
So, if you guys want to see my parrots on my shoulder, oh, by the way, I'm a penguin. I'm going to do first person so you can see
Parrots are
it.
a penguin.
Yep.
Oh my god, I'm on a horse game.
Well, first when you try to find it.
Okay, I am now opening Minecraft.
Come here, Harry.
Audio, no. There we go.
Do I have parrots on my shoulder?
Look at my, yeah you do. Oh, by the way, when you jump, they can go right off.
Hey,
So,
we actually have Jack here today.
yeah. Oh, by the way, Jack, those parrots are off your back because you jumped.
Yeah.
What the
Don't be
heck?
stupid next time.
Okay, there's one on your
It
back.
disappeared. Oh, it's on his back.
Yeah, it's on his back.
Okay, I'm joining.
Okay, and then,
Joining.
okay, then tame your parrot. Okay, the second one's on your back, on your shoulders, should I say.
I'll tame all my parrots.
Alright,
I'll make them mine.
there's only 3 over here.
Did it say I joined yet?
Yeah.
Yay.
Oh, by the way, I have other parrots as well. That they are in
My own
here.
house. Where's my horsey? Yo, what
See?
up?
These are my parrots.
I'll name you Spots. No, I'll name you Bob.
Can I build my own
Are these
house?
mine?
Yeah, sure, but not with these.
My god, where can I build my house?
Are these all tamed?
Over there
Are
somewhere.
these all tamed?
Yeah, those are all mine. This, the ones over there with the horse. Those ones are
those
untamed. No, they're not.
How do you tame them?
Use seeds.
Seeds? Where's the seeds? Oh, never mind. Wait, what's the seeds?
My god, you're so dumb.
I don't know this new update. Okay. Oh wait, I found them.
I love these parrots on my
How do I
back.
put them in my inventory? Oh, never mind.
Just walk up to them
Wow,
when
simple.
yeah.
Sit down on the ground.
You know that you can put them on your back, right?
Yeah, I want to sit.
There, it's on your shoulder.
How do you put it on the shoulder?
Just walk up to it when it's not sitting.
Okay, so stand.
Boom.
Hey.
Oh, I'm actually going to need stained.
By the way, you want me to get every single different ones? Oh, by the way, those things are off your back now since you jumped. See?
Oh. Well, this is isn't gonna work because I jump a lot.
It's alright. Don't worry, they can follow you still. They can still follow you.
Stand.
Okay.
What
Wow,
you
this
building?
stuff is his house. He's building his house. Where are the... Oh, there's my parrot on my back. On my shoulder, should I say. Hang on, I'm trying to find eggs.
Oh, I'll find some eggs. I'm gonna hatch a cow from my eggs.
Oh, hang on. I think
Guess where random
I think
parrots
I'm
are?
good so far. Okay, I found them.
I don't know where anything is.
Parrots are Halloween jungle.
I found a chicken.
Okay, these are the parrot eggs, so check it out! There's so many cool ones! Look how many there are!
Why are there? I can't find any eggs except for chicken eggs.
Go for shirts! I went to shirts to
Ah.
down.
There's a what? Sure.
Hang on, I'm going to do
I'm
my...
so confused. I don't know where anything is. Oh.
I know.
Parrot, get out of my way!
Found it.
Where are my parrots?
I get it now. The little plus sign. Minecraft. The little plus sign means there's
Wow!
more. There's more.
Look at all these! Look at all
What's
these!
this?
What the heck?
Since when are there llamas?
Really? You seriously missed that? They're all llamas in this game, by the way. Look at me!
I never knew there was a llama. Sorry, I haven't played Minecraft for a billion years.
Oh, yeah.
All of them?
No! I was just finding them.
Why are they flying roots?
That's because they're following the animals for some reason.
Parrots, I'm over here.
Hey, Cassie, you may want to get out of there.
Where are my parrots?
Cause look.
Huh?
Parrots.
What happened? What? I don't know what's going on.
The parrots are following the animals. I don't know why exactly.
Parrot.
The parrots are following the animals.
I don't know what these are, so I'm
Some of them are following the pig and some are following the sheep. The rest of them at the
Okay,
fence
I don't
is
know what any of
following.
these are. What's this? Oh.
That's the llama.
Okay, whoa.
Come here.
Well, hey there.
Apparently, you can actually get them onto something. Let me see what I can
What the heck
find.
is this?
What's what?
Evil villager, okay.
That's a
What
zombie
the heck?
villager. That's a zombie
What's up with
villager.
all these birds?
That might have been me.
Turn on monster mode. I want to place this thing. I don't know what it is.
Hang on, I'm trying to find something. Oh wait, I think I found it.
There's a llama.
No.
There's a llama behind you.
Now I'm confused with everything. Cool. What the heck is
They're
that
all
thing?
following a poor little pig.
Yep. Like I said, I don't know why all these...
I feel bad for that pig.
Yep.
Uh-oh,
Look,
poor
look,
cow.
I feel so bad for
Did you turn
everything.
on monster mode?
No, not yet. Hang on.
Why are my parrots falling?
Oh, don't forget, it's been a long time, so I have to find...
Another evil villager.
Where's Monk? Where exactly is... Oh yeah, peaceful. Okay.
Woo! Look at that big guy.
What? Oh, there. That's the Guardian.
Hey, look, a little evil fairy.
Oh, that's so cute.
What's this? Oh, that's just a plain villager. Why? Whoa! What the heck was that?
What?
Something just like came out of the ground and like I don't know.
It must have been the fairy.
Maybe.
Who knows? What the heck? That's a witch.
Did you see this guy?
Yeah, I
This
did.
guy.
Yeah, it's on video apparently.
Hello.
I'm starting to lag a little.
What the heck? Wait, you're... Oh crap, I forgot. Because the parrots probably. Let's get tons of swords.
Come here, my parrots. Where's my parrot? Where's my parrot?
Yeah, I'm gonna kill all these little parrots. I don't care if they're mine or not. I'm gonna kill every single one of those things.
Except mine. 'Cause
Diamond sword. I don't know which one is yours.
the ones in
my
my...
houses. Because
Yeah, they are. They
I'm
are.
gonna kill every single one that's outside right now.
Just don't actually kill your own since they are on your back.
I really don't care. I will kill my own if I have.
Get them
Are
in
they
my
following
house.
me? Are mine following me?
They're on your back.
Oh.
Just get them in my house and here. Put them in here so you don't kill them. Why exactly are these in here? Whoa. I just saw an angel. Went through a wall.
I know, I saw them go through the ground too.
That's so creepy.
Are they still on my back or did they come off?
They come off. Now just make them sit.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit!
Sit. And you sit.
Did they even sit?
Making a
Did
room.
mine sit? Is it on my back?
Yeah, one of them was.
Making a room.
Is it still on my back?
No, it's not.
I can't even see anything.
It's right there.
I'm making a room for my.
I am never going to get another bird again.
Get off.
Okay. Okay, let's kill everything except the horses.
What the?
Oh yeah, apparently parrots drop feathers.
Sit!
Where am I?
Wow, I did too many parrots.
Okay, that's it. I'm done. I give up. I would just kill my own bird.
Why?
This guy does not want to listen to me.
Well, that is a
There!
possibility.
I'm sitting outside your little place.
Okay. Die! Die almost.
I will kill your birds. I'm just kidding.
No, don't kill my birds.
I was talking to Jen.
Oh. You chill. We're doing a video.
All of these are sitting, so I'm assuming that they're tamed. Poor cow.
Well, hey, we can't help it.
gosh, poor
Everything's
cow,
destroyed.
poor
What? Poor cow.
You're all following this poor cow.
All of them? Oh yeah, I think I see you over there. I'm trying to kill this guardian.
I just killed most of them.
Yeah, they only take one hit to kill,
The
apparently.
parents at my brick building don't care.
Yeah.
And now they're going to follow these guys. Okay.
Oh my god, they're pretty horse.
Yeah, I know. Wow, you just killed a pretty horse. I bet you think that mean. I think you meant the opposite of pretty.
It actually was really pretty.
Then why did you kill it?
Why not?
Good point.
Hello, poor birdies.
Will you get off me, please?
Birdies. It's raining.
Cool.
It's raining tacos.
Lap, I have to get my horses inside.
Why?
Because, have you never heard of lightning shocking horses?
Yeah, I hope they get shot by lightning and turn into skeleton horse.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, they're up in the roof.
I can't turn my screen. What's on the what the?
There's sons of birds on the roof.
Okay.
Harris, get off of my roof. Get off of my roof. I missed one. You missed some of them.
I don't care.
Come on, you parents.
There's a chicken on the ground.
Yeah, who cares about chickens?
I do.
Anyway, before you kill any of my horses, I'm going to get them inside.
I will kill you. I don't even know where any of your horses are.
The end
Now
of.
this is one over here, Death Jam. This really pretty black one.
When I say a zombie, oh yeah, I forgot
I
monster
want to
mode.
push you inside.
What the heck?
What? I just hit my bird. I'm just gonna.
Okay, I'm getting monster modes off. I forgot that I have monster modes
There's a
on.
creeper in your building.
Which one?
I don't know, one of the birds.
Hang on. Is it in Jack's house?
No, it's in your big, fat, rainbow, pink, purple building.
Oh. Well, at least we're not in
Hello there, little
survival.
creeper. How's it going?
My gosh. There we go.
Oh, my creeper friend went away.
Thank gosh, too. Okay. At least these two are safe.
I'm gonna collect all these feathers. And my whole screen just. Experience.
Okay, where is this, my other one? Hey! Oh my gosh, there's a bird in here. I don't want him to follow. I'm not letting that parrot
Bunch of birds
follow.
everywhere.
I know.
Hello, horses. Oh, these are your horses.
Yeah, some of them aren't tamed yet.
Horsey.
You can tame the white one. The black one's mine.
Because the black one's prettier than the white one. I see how it is.
Oh no.
Are you parents?
Don't forget, you don't play this game like I do.
Yes, I do. I'm pretty sure I've played Minecraft way longer than you have.
Yeah, but not for a long time.
Yeah, I have. But I just gave up like a year or two ago.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I mean.
I used to play.
Do not look at one of my rooms. I swear.
So, let me think here.
Hey, you want to look at Jack's room?
No,
Let me
don't
think
look
here.
at this room. I swear, there's a whole bunch of parrots in it.
I started playing.
Maybe it's because you got tons of parrots in there.
The parrots on my shoulder are the small.
I started playing Minecraft when I was.
We're
like
not going
8.
to trust the parrots that's on your back. I don't think that's even possible.
They're tame. The one outside is tame too.
I
But
started
the
playing.
ones in here are not.
I started playing Minecraft when I was like 8, and I just gave up at like 11. So like 8, 9, 10. That's like 4 years of Minecraft right there.
I wonder why you gave up. Maybe it's because there was nothing
I
new.
don't want to play anymore.
It's because there was nothing new.
Yeah, I just got tired of it. Playing for 4 years straight.
Maybe you should update it once in a while.
I used to be a Minecraft expert, and now I don't know what I'm doing anymore. So many new updates.
Do not
Don't
look
kill
at
those
one of
ones.
my rooms. There's a whole
I'm not
bunch of
gonna kill
parrots.
any. I only have one bird. I killed
You
it.
have... Oh, never mind then.
It was in my way.
I was about to say, you have
It
two
was
birds.
in my way, and it didn't do what I told it to do.
Oh,
so I
crap.
stopped it.
Well, I think we should end it.
Okay.
It says 16.
What's up? Bye. Yo, see you later.
Well, guys, so yeah, today, make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you
Like
later.
and subscribe.
I'll see you later.
See you
Bye.
later.